case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States had to weigh in on the fight for religious speech rights in the 1951 case, Kunz v. New York. It revolved around the contention that no single person in government should be handed the unbridled power to decide who has the right to public speech without any clear criteria to guide this decision-making. At the center of it all was Jacob Kunz, a Baptist minister. Kunz, in violation of a New York City ordinance, conducted public worship meetings on the streets without a permit and was subsequently convicted and fined for his action in 1948. His crime, ridiculing and denouncing other religious beliefs in his meetings, the act that had led to his permit revocation. Kunz wasn't about to take this lying down. He pursued an appeal, contending that the permit ordinance was at odds with the 14th Amendment. As director of the outdoor gospel work and a street preacher for over 6 years, Kunz believed it was his duty to share God's word out in the open. He had held a permit in 1946, but it was rescinded after he openly mocked and denounced other religions. Despite the lack of any ordinance clause pertaining to such behavior, Kunz did not challenge his permit revocation. However, he continually failed to secure permits in 1947 and 1948, with his applications disapproved without reason. Kunz's refusal to stop preaching despite permit disapproval led to his arrest on September 11, 1948, in Columbus Circle, New York City. The Supreme Court, in its judgment, found the permit ordinance in New York to be in violation of the First Amendment rights, thereby nullifying its application. It addressed not the revocation of the permit, but its denial in 1948 by the police commissioner, who based his decision on an open interpretation of the ordinance without any set guidelines. The court deemed that giving someone unrestrained power to control religious speech rights was unacceptable.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.